In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a noisy email thread. If your inbox is constantly buzzing with replies you don't need to see right away, muting is a simple way to keep things quiet without deleting anything. You'll still keep a complete record of the conversation, but future replies won't interrupt your inbox. Start by opening Gmail. You can do this in your web browser or the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed into the account where the conversation lives. Give Gmail a moment to load your inbox so everything is up to date. This is important because muting applies to the specific conversation you open, not just the subject line in general. Next, open the email conversation you want to mute. A conversation in Gmail links all messages with the same subject into one thread, so when you open it, you're looking at the complete history. Skim the thread and confirm it's the one that keeps getting replies you don't need to see in your inbox. It's often something like a long team discussion, a social update, or a notification thread that keeps firing. Inside the conversation view, look for the More menu in the top right area. It's represented by 3 vertical dots. This is the conversation's action menu. Clicking it reveals options that affect this specific thread. If you don't see it, make sure you're inside the thread and not just on the main inbox page. From that menu, select Mute. The moment you do, Gmail moves the conversation out of your inbox and marks it to skip the inbox for any future replies. That means the conversation continues to exist and new messages will still arrive, but they won't pop back into your inbox. You won't get new inbox notifications for it either. Here's what this change means for you. Future replies will no longer appear in your inbox. The conversation is not deleted and it's not lost. You can find it later by searching for the subject, a sender's name, or keywords from the thread. It will also show up in all mail and under any labels you've applied, just not in the inbox view. Muting is different from archiving. Archiving clears something from the inbox now, but a fresh reply usually brings it back. Muting keeps it quiet even when new replies arrive. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, open the conversation, click the 3-dot More menu, and select Mute. It's a quick, effective way to protect your focus while keeping every message on file for when you actually need it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your calmer inbox.